The oceans are vast, stretching out as far as the eye can see, and they hold more mysteries than we can imagine. They cover most of our planet, making up over 70% of the Earth's surface. These immense bodies of water are not just vast in size, but also in their significance to life on Earth. Beneath the surface, there's a hidden world teeming with life. From the smallest plankton to the largest whales, the ocean is home to an incredible diversity of creatures. Each species plays a role in the complex web of marine ecosystems. Water is constantly on the move. These are ocean currents, the rivers of the sea. They flow through the ocean, driven by wind, water density differences, and the Earth's rotation. Ocean currents are powerful. They move massive amounts of water across vast distances, transporting heat, nutrients, and marine life. These currents can travel thousands of miles, connecting different parts of the world. These currents play a vital role in shaping our planet's climate. They regulate temperatures by distributing heat from the equator to the poles, influencing weather patterns and climate systems globally. The Gulf Stream, for example, carries warm water from the Gulf of Mexico up the eastern coast of the United States and across the Atlantic to Europe, affecting the climate of entire continents. Understanding these currents is crucial. It helps us understand the Earth's delicate balance. Scientists study ocean currents to predict weather, understand climate change, and protect marine ecosystems. Research vessels and advanced technology allow us to explore these underwater highways, revealing their secrets and the vital role they play in our planet's health. The ocean's pulse is a testament to the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. From the smallest microorganisms to the largest marine mammals, every living thing is affected by the movement of the ocean. By studying and understanding these currents, we gain insight into the health of our planet and the future of our environment. Coastal communities around the world depend on the ocean for their livelihoods. Fishing, tourism, and transportation are just a few of the industries that rely on the health and stability of ocean currents. Protecting these currents is not just about preserving marine life, it's about safeguarding human life and the economies that depend on the sea. Efforts to protect and preserve the ocean are more important than ever. From reducing pollution to conserving marine habitats, every action we take can help maintain the balance of our planet's most vital resource. Scientists, conservationists, and everyday people are working together to ensure that the pulse of our planet continues to beat strong. The ocean is a powerful force, a source of life, and a symbol of the Earth's resilience. As we continue to explore and understand its depths, we are reminded of our responsibility to protect and cherish this incredible natural wonder. The pulse of our planet depends on it. What drives these underwater rivers? Wind is a major factor. When wind blows over the ocean's surface, it creates friction. This friction drags the water along with it. The strength of the current depends on the wind's strength. Constant winds create stronger currents. These currents flow in complex patterns. They are influenced by the Earth's rotation. The Earth is constantly spinning. This rotation has a profound effect on ocean currents. It creates a phenomenon called the Coriolis effect. Because of the Earth's rotation, objects moving in the northern hemisphere deflect to the right. Objects in the southern hemisphere deflect to the left. This deflection influences the direction of ocean currents, causing them to curve. Ocean currents act like giant conveyor belts. They transport heat from the tropics towards the poles. This heat transfer helps regulate the Earth's temperature. Without these currents, the tropics would be much hotter. The poles would be much colder. This heat transfer is crucial for life on Earth. It creates more balanced and habitable climates. Section 5, Surface Currents, the Gulf Stream. The Gulf Stream is one of the most significant and well-studied ocean currents in the world. It plays a crucial role in the global climate system and has been a subject of fascination for scientists and explorers alike for centuries. There are two main types of ocean currents: surface currents and deep ocean currents. Surface currents are primarily driven by wind patterns and the rotation of the Earth, while deep ocean currents are driven by differences in water density, which are influenced by temperature and salinity. Surface currents, as their name suggests, flow near the ocean's surface. They are responsible for the horizontal movement of water and can extend to depths of about 400 meters. These currents are essential for distributing heat around the planet and play a vital role in regulating the Earth's climate. The Gulf Stream is a well-known example of a surface current. It is one of the strongest ocean currents and has a significant impact on the climate of the regions it flows through. The Gulf Stream is part of a larger system of currents known as the North Atlantic Subtropical Gyre. It originates in the warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico. The Gulf Stream begins its journey as the Florida Current, which flows out of the Gulf of Mexico and into the Atlantic Ocean. As it moves along the eastern coast of the United States, it gathers strength and speed, becoming the powerful current we know as the Gulf Stream. This current carries warm water northward towards Western Europe. The Gulf Stream travels at an average speed of about 2.5 meters per second and can transport up to 150 million cubic meters of water per second. As it moves northward, it influences the climate of the eastern coast of North America and Western Europe. The Gulf Stream moderates the climate of Western Europe, making it milder than other regions at similar latitudes. For example, cities like London and Paris experience much milder winters compared to other cities at the same latitude, such as Montreal or Moscow. This is due to the warm waters of the Gulf Stream, which transfer heat to the atmosphere and help to keep temperatures more moderate. The Gulf Stream has been known to sailors and explorers for centuries. Early navigators used the current to their advantage, allowing them to travel more quickly across the Atlantic Ocean. Benjamin Franklin was one of the first to chart the Gulf Stream in the 18th century, recognizing its importance for transatlantic shipping and navigation. Today, the Gulf Stream continues to be a focus of scientific research. Modern technology, such as satellites and oceanographic instruments, allows scientists to monitor and study the Gulf Stream in greater detail than ever before. Understanding the behavior of this powerful current is crucial for predicting weather patterns, climate change, and the health of marine ecosystems. The Gulf Stream also supports a rich and diverse marine ecosystem. The warm waters of the current provide an ideal environment for a variety of marine species, including fish, sea turtles, and marine mammals. The Gulf Stream's influence extends beyond just climate. It plays a vital role in the health and productivity of the ocean's ecosystems. Coastal communities along the path of the Gulf Stream benefit from its presence. The current supports commercial and recreational fishing as well as tourism activities. The warm waters attract a variety of fish species, making it a popular destination for anglers and tourists alike. The Gulf Stream is just one part of the complex system of ocean currents that circulate around the globe. These currents are interconnected and play a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate. The Gulf Stream in particular is a key component of the Atlantic meridional overturning circulation, which helps to distribute heat and maintain the balance of the global climate system. In conclusion, the Gulf Stream is a powerful and influential ocean current that has a profound impact on the climate, marine ecosystems, and human activities. Its warm waters and strong flow make it a vital part of the Earth's climate system, and its importance cannot be overstated. As we continue to study and understand the Gulf Stream, we gain valuable insights into the complex and dynamic nature of our planet's oceans. Section 6. Deep ocean currents, thermohaline circulation. Deep ocean currents flow thousands of meters below the surface. These currents are driven by differences in water density. Density is affected by temperature and salinity. Thermohaline circulation is a global system of deep ocean currents. Cold, salty water is denser and sinks to the ocean floor. This sinking water drives a slow-moving current that travels around the globe. Section 7. The global heat conveyor belt. Together, surface currents and deep ocean currents form a global heat conveyor belt. This belt circulates warm water from the tropics towards the poles. Cold water from the poles flows back towards the equator. This continuous circulation helps regulate the Earth's climate. It distributes heat around the planet. The global heat conveyor belt is a vital component of Earth's climate system. Section 8. The importance of understanding ocean currents. Understanding ocean currents is crucial for several reasons. It helps us predict weather patterns. It helps us understand marine ecosystems. It helps us address climate change. Changes in ocean currents can have significant impacts. Disruptions to the global heat conveyor belt could lead to drastic climate shifts. Studying these currents helps us understand these potential risks. Section 9. Conclusion. As we reach the end of our journey exploring the vast and intricate world of ocean currents, it's clear that these hidden forces are far more than just moving water. They are the lifeblood of our planet, shaping climates, supporting marine life, and connecting distant corners of the globe. Ocean currents are a hidden force. They shape our planet in ways that are both subtle and profound. From the rhythmic dance of the waves to the deep, unseen currents that traverse the ocean's depths, these movements are essential to the health and stability of our world. They are driven by wind, Earth's rotation, and differences in water density. The interplay of these elements creates a complex and dynamic system that influences weather patterns, marine ecosystems, and even the distribution of nutrients in the ocean. The wind, with its relentless push, sets the surface waters in motion, while the Earth's rotation adds a twist, creating spirals and gyres that circulate water across vast distances. These currents play a crucial role in regulating Earth's climate. They transport warm water from the equator towards the poles and bring cold water back towards the equator, balancing temperatures and driving weather systems. This delicate balance is vital for maintaining the climates we depend on, from the temperate zones to the polar regions. Without these currents, our world would be a very different place, with more extreme weather and less predictable seasons. Understanding ocean currents is essential. Scientists around the world dedicate their lives to studying these powerful forces, using advanced technology and innovative methods to map and predict their movements. This research not only helps us understand the present, but also prepares us for the future as we face the challenges of climate change and environmental degradation. It helps us appreciate the interconnectedness of our planet. The ocean currents are like the veins and arteries of the Earth, connecting distant ecosystems and supporting a diverse array of life. From the smallest plankton to the largest whales, all marine creatures depend on these currents for survival. They transport nutrients, support breeding grounds, and create habitats that are essential for the health of the ocean. It highlights the importance of protecting our oceans. As we learn more about the vital role of ocean currents, we also become more aware of the threats they face. Pollution, overfishing, and climate change are just a few of the challenges that endanger these delicate systems. Conservation efforts such as marine sanctuaries and cleanup initiatives are crucial for preserving the health of our oceans and the life they support. We must strive to learn more about these powerful forces. Continued research and education are key to unlocking the mysteries of the ocean currents. By investing in science and supporting initiatives that promote ocean literacy, we can ensure that future generations are equipped with the knowledge and tools they need to protect our planet. Our future may depend on it. The health of our oceans is directly linked to the health of our planet. By understanding and protecting ocean currents, we safeguard not only the marine environment but also our own future. Let us commit to being stewards of the sea, ensuring that the beauty and bounty of our oceans endure for generations to come.